That is I-35, Yetzi.
You're a dumb bitch.
That was Kevin.
Oh shit. I hate this weather.
This is fun.
No, it's not.
No, the fact that we're recording this so Yetzi can have video proof.
But she a dumb bitch.
No, just saying, just saying.
Well, management is a dumb bitch. That includes Christina, that includes... Well, Biggs is awesome, Patrick's awesome. That includes just the females. God, I'm going so slow, it sucks. I can't even go over 40.
Speed limit is 35. We are going...
No, speed limit is 50. And I'm going 30.
Speed limit on the highway is 70. They're going 25. About 20, 30.
One guy got an accident over there, I think.
Yeah.
Actually, not. I live actually right here.
Yeah, you live out here on Wiederstein?
Yeah, we live off of the old Wiederstein.
Oh, sweet.
Do I make it right here? Just keep on.
Yeah. 2 more. It's this bridge, and after the second bridge, and then my area is the third bridge.
You're still recording?
Yeah.
Wow. You're gonna record the whole trip?
Yep.
Why? Dude,
I'm gonna record the trip on the way back too.
Oh my god.
Because on the way back it's gonna be 11:03, so we can see how bad it is that way.
Oh my god.
I feel sorry for the 35 drivers.
35 drivers? Oh yeah, they're probably having it much worse. The speed limit's 50.
God damn, it's slow traffic.
No, and I can't go higher than 30 because it's so wet. Oh, look at this truck. Oh shit. Okay. You wanna go
Almost
first?
cut off by a truck.
Yeah, I did get cut off by a truck. By a freaking 16-wheeler.
Okay, almost ran over by an 18-wheeler. Shit.
Look at the freeway.
Yeah.
There's an accident up there too. I need to clean my car now.
I feel sorry for these guys.
Oh yeah, they're outside.
Oh no, those are just... that's Time Warner.
Just let me know.
Yeah. So want to go there. Heard the guy like getting food.
The only reason I brought the pizza bag is just to cover my head when I was going to the car. Prevent me from getting
So you
wet.
put your head in the bag?
No, I didn't. I would have got lost.
Yetzi's watching you run around the parking lot.
That's if she could see over the counter.
Oh.
Oh. Right here? Or keep going?
Keep going.
Yeah, it is fine.
Oh yeah, she actually did that once on the other side of the counter, where it goes where you can see the door, and all you see her when she walks in, you see half her head. She stood there, saw her reflection. She's like, "Yeah, I do look kind of creepy." I was like, "Yeah, you do."
She always looks creepy. I was the only guy for a little bit at the store until Brett finally came back from his delivery.
Brett, oh yeah, that's right. Brett Oaken. Yeah, she told me to cut off Michael. I was like, nah, he's being a little bitch right now.
Why, Michael won't give you a ride or what?
Nope.
Does he work today?
Nope. I was gonna ask him for a favor to where I can use his washer and dryer and dry all this shit. And nope, he wants to be a little bitch. So I was like, alright, fuck you.
You guys break up or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna break his dick too.
Wow, that's weird.
Yeah. Look at all that mud.
How long have you been recording already?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. It's only been 4 minutes?
Yeah, only 4 minutes.
Feels like forever.
I know. That's like even 4 hours.
Just give me
Oh.
Okay, now it's pretty bad.
Yeah, that's why traffic is so slow. How parents have to drive through that? God damn. This is just a line to the stoplight. He's getting paid mileage for this, right, Yetzi? He better
Yeah,
be.
right, I will.
He better be.
It's already, we're already on 6 miles.
Uh-huh.
God damn. Look at that. Only to the stop sign.
She better feed us after this.
Sorry if my car smells like sex.
Hey, I've smelled worse.
I'm sure you
I'm
have.
sorry, I smell like a wet dog.
I'm sure. It's alright. I mean, it'll cancel out the sex smell.
Yeah, she's gonna be like, what the fuck are you all talking about?
I know.
Smell of sex, wet dogs? What the fuck are you doing in that car?
Okay, now that's weird. That's weird.
Well, she's gonna ask you what you've been doing in the car.
I mean, just like, you know, I'm a college student. Just leave me alone. God damn.
She's only high school, she won't understand.
Oh, she's trying to get out of high school. Cause she a dumb bitch. Sorry.
She has to take her GED. She has to take her GED.
Okay, GED.
Yeah.
Oh, this car is not gonna come out. Fuck yourself. You're driving a Jeep. Fuck yourself. No, don't even try it. Do not even try it. I know. See, like, you can see him.
Yeah, I'm watching him.
Yeah.
You little bitch.
Don't even try it.
But the event goes until 8 o'clock tonight. You got plenty of time to get down here.
Look, I'm sneaking up too.
Daniel Alamo City Tattoo Show.
Don't even try it. Don't even try it. Don't even fucking try it. He's gonna try to take it.
Need more. Respect each other's space and everybody wins.
I would-
Our highway.
But I say, if you want, this side of the road actually does do this a bit to get to a ways up. It's gonna turn off to the side to where you can get to like a storage unit. So if you want, you can just go off to the side and just follow it up.
Yeah, but that's where all the water is. Look, you can see that huge puddle of water. If I go over there, I'm gonna drown. I don't know if that made sense at all, but. Oh my gosh. Is that the same song?
It's on 3 stations. Hey, look, there's a pool. Oh yeah, they dug the behind those trees. They dug the field out, and now it's a giant pool.
Look at this fucking Jeep. I told you he was insane.
Cause you're in the beach.
How long have I been gone? I left at 2, I think. 2:05, 2.
It's 2:44.
Say what?
Pool.
Damn, it is a pool. God damn. It's a nasty ass pool though. I've never.
Hey, that's some mud wrestling right there.
It's a weird place to have sex.
Yeah.
Get it all over.
Oh yeah.
Andy Grammer and Honey, I'm good.
Fuck this song.
The world is dropping.
That song.
No accident.
Kind of weird.
You know, I'm putting my aux cord. Fuck this. We're gonna be here for a while, I can already tell.
Yeah. Move off to the bit. See what that car, where those cars are turning?
Yeah.
Go that way.
Well, there's a bird. I don't want to let go. Right here?
Yeah. You just go this way and just like follow the car.
Okay. Oh my god. No.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
There we go. This whole trip is on straight or
Straight and then go that way.
god damn.
Look at that mud.
I'm not gonna drive fast over that because I'm not trying to get my car dirty. I cleaned this car too not too long ago. Oh my god, look at that. trying to, but I'm not trying to go
Yeah.
fast either. There we go.
This is Biggs' ringtone.
Yeah, Chop Suey.
Yeah, I was like, yes.
I like this song.
One of my favorite songs from them.
Are you fucking kidding me? I thought I could go fast, but no, I guess I can't.
That's traffic just going out to the highway.
Damn.
Yes, he's gonna be like, what the fuck? And traffic on the highway is backed up. And a bus.
Menopause?
And it's a Greyhound bus.
Son of a fucking bitch, man. I hate that. No, when I was on my way to your library, there's a car coming the opposite way.
Just
and
flowing through it.
He wasn't even, he had a truck and he didn't even care. He full speeded and all the water went to my car. I felt
It's like, really, you asshole.
I know, I feel like turning around and like I don't know what I would have done. I probably like
Throwing something at him.
Yeah.
It's like, I throw a paper at you.
And this is the trip before we even get to your house. We still have to
Yeah.
get to your house to pick up your stuff, right?
Yep.
Damn. I better be big mileage. I'm already at an 8 right now. I'm just saying 8.
Yeah. All right. With that car is turning off to the right.
Yeah.
Follow it. Well, at least I got 2 showers today.
Well, that's good. I guess.
Yeah.
Better than none.
Yeah.
This band went to my high school
Oh, lucky bastard.
in California. Obviously, not at the same time.
Yeah.
You know, they went.
Yeah. All right. Left, right, then left.
Left, right, left,
No, sorry. Right, left, right.
right, left, right.
Yeah. Oh yes, love this song. But I gotta jump out the car though. Fuck. I actually like the music video that they had when they did this for the song.
We're finally here at the community. That's it.
Yes, we're finally here.
It was like a 30-minute drive just from the library.
Yeah. Alright. Where is my house? Right there.
At the stop sign?
On the left, yes.